what's up guys? Average Model Nerd bringing you an update on my Zvezda 1/72 scale MI-24 HIND helicopter. Haven't been working on this a whole lot, just had a bunch of stuff going on, but I figured I'd pop on here and give you guys an update in case you were wondering what the progress was. Last we left off, I was going to get the blades and rotors on. We got the tail rotor on at least. Haven't made it to the main rotor yet, but I managed to get all the covers on for the engine. As you can see here, coming a little tighter here. These little, let me see if I can get a pen here. If you can see them right down here, these little arms were kind of a booger to put on, but it's a pretty, I think it's a pretty neat looking piece on there. It makes it actually look like they're connected and can shut. Another one for the main rotor motor. There you can see another arm there that I put on. Come down here, got our, I would say, gunnery doors. And had to put this little arm here. That was a little tough too to put on, but got it on. Got some painting touch up to do, as you can see, like right in here. But we'll get her fixed up. Got the side windows on here, and I really like the way this one works because it slides back, and then you can still see the 48 through the glass. And then this also, it's kind of hard to see. I don't think I can get my phone down, but this has got a little arm right here that goes up and connects it as well. Yeah, it's looking good. It's turning out really good. I'm pretty happy with it. Gotta give it a spin around. Got both little rockets on there, and then the rocket pod. Got decals are on. Yeah, I want to get this one wrapped up and done because I'm about to show you what I just got in the mail for my Christmas/birthday present. And yeah, I'll show you that here in just a second. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I wanted to show you guys what I got for my birthday/Christmas present. Pretty excited about it. Seen this model on another YouTube channel, Prime Model Works. He put this one together, and ever since I saw that video, I was pretty excited to get it put together. So without further ado, might as well show you. This is a 1/18th scale AV-8B Harrier II jet. 1/18th scale. I am pretty intimidated by wanting to put this one together, but I think it's going to be a good challenge. I'm looking forward to the challenge. I'm not going to show you guys yet what's in the box. I just wanted to give you guys kind of a sneak peek on what's going on, what I got coming up. My next build is actually, I think it's going to be a bulldozer. My wife actually got that one for me for Christmas. I'll do an unboxing video of that one pretty soon, and then we'll get started on that one once we get our HIND done. I just want to thank everybody so far that's subscribed to my channel and has made comments. I do appreciate it. I really just got back into modeling, you know, probably last year, and really have learned and adapt to using an airbrush, which is something I was intimidated with using. Before that, it was, you know, spray can. Nothing wrong with using spray cans. I still use them here and there on stuff. But I'm really getting the hang of using an airbrush. I like it. It's like one of my favorite things to do. I really like doing detailed work on my models, as you can see from the HIND. That's why I'm really excited about this one, because I'm sure it's going to be pretty detailed out, and it's going to take me a while to build this one. So hopefully we'll get it done in 2021. But I've got about 4 other models I really should do before this one. So yeah, I mean, definitely, I mean, thanks for stopping by and watching this video. Leave me some comments down below on what models you guys are going to be building this year. I'd like to know. Give me some ideas on other stuff I can build. I mean, I build all types of models. I like, you know, military jets. The HIND is the first helicopter I've built, so that was a pretty fun challenge too. I do cars. If you can look kind of behind me, there's the truck. I'm adapting it to each holiday. I made it for my wife for a Christmas present, and we had a Christmas tree in it for Christmas, and now we've got a guess it's a heart foamy in there now for Valentine's Day. So, you know, I do like building everything. I, you know, build ships, I build planes, cars. Kind of challenging myself this year out of my comfort zone, hence this big boy here. Yeah, to really build some pretty cool stuff. So thanks again for stopping by, guys. Please feel free to leave some comments down below. I'm an open book. Any questions you got, please do. And if you're not a channel subscriber, please subscribe. I'm going to be putting out some good content, maybe some tips and tricks, stuff that I like to do that helps me build my models. Yeah, give me a thumbs up on this video. I'd appreciate it greatly. And yeah, I guess we'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully we'll have the hind done. Keep your fingers crossed. You know, life gets in the way. Work, kids, school, everything. So appreciate it, and we'll see you guys later.